Hi, I'm the motivational minister, Billy Miller, out here on the track trying to make today count. And that's what I want you to do today. I want you to make today count. Do something today that's going to get you closer to your goals. A lot of you have goals, a lot of you have desires, a lot of you have dreams. And the difference between a dream and a fantasy is what you do day by day. What are you doing today? If what you're doing today doesn't help your tomorrow, then you're just wasting time. You need to do something that's going to get you closer to the goals that you have. For example, if you want to write a book, go ahead and write a page today. You'll be one page closer to fulfilling your dream. You want to start a business? Go ahead and write the plan. Just do something that'll get you a step closer. You have goals, you have desires, go ahead and write them down. Statistics show that those who write down their goals accomplish them more than those who don't. So write down your goals, develop a plan, and execute it. Listen, people always have ideas, but they rarely act on them. People always have million-dollar ideas, but the millionaires are the ones who act on those ideas. Do something today. Make today count. No more excuses. All right, y'all take care. Follow me on Twitter at BillyMiller7. Connect with me at BillyMiller.com. Blessings.